China EV Post reports that NIO has launched the NOP Plus driver assistance feature for NT 2.0 platform vehicles. This feature, available after updating to Banyan 2.6.0, enables advanced driving tasks on urban and highway roads. NIO claims NOP Plus is the largest smart driving feature in urban areas in China, with over 726 cities covered and more than 1.2 million kilometers of verified mileage. Although NOP Plus aims to save energy and reduce accidents, it remains an assisted driving system, not autonomous. NIO advises against using NOP Plus in bad weather or complex road conditions. New NIO owners have received at least 1 year of free access to NOP Plus, with the company aiming for NOP Plus to account for 80% of all driving time by 2025. Users must complete a learning task and have a driving behavior score of at least 70 out of 100, based on the last 30 days of smart driving data, to use the feature extensively. You are listening to Yuan News.